Hi dear learners, welcome to Fun Scholar e-learning series. So in today's video, we'll learn about how to manually calculate the value of any register with color code, and then how to remember the color code chart values easily, and finally the color code tables for registers. So before getting into that, we must understand why we need to decode these values, because from outside of the registers, the resistance value is not given. So depending upon our circuit requirement, we need to obtain the resistance value manually. That is why we need to decode these colors as well. So let's get started. So there are basically 3 color band registers, 4 color band registers, up to 6 color band registers are available. But generally we will be dealing with 3 band color registers and 4 band registers. So we read the registers beginning with the side that has more number of colors. Okay, so here you can see from the left side there are 3 color bands available and the 4th color is being kept aside. So we'll start from the left side. Now there are various colors. Okay, so before proceeding with the colors, let's consider the first 2 colors. So they actually signifies the first 2 digits for the resistance value, and the 3rd color is associated with the multiplier or the multiplication factor. And as far as this 4th color is concerned, I hope you continue to see the video till the last portion, because in the end section we have discussed it properly. So now there are several colors which we will be dealing with. So they are black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, white, and finally golden and silver. So depending upon the position of these colors, so either if they are in the first position or in second position or in the third position, so there are specific values being assigned for these colors. So for black, so if they are kept in the first or second position, the corresponding values is 0. For brown it's 1, and so on. Till white. For gold and silver it's not assigned. So for multiplier, the corresponding values for black is 10 to the power 0, which is 1, and then for brown it's 10 to the power 1, that is 10, and gradually the power increases. And till white it will increase. So for gold it's 0.1, and for silver it's 0.01. So now we'll take this example. The brown is the first color, so we'll find the digit value for brown. It's 1. So when black is kept in the second position, the value is 0. So we have got the first 2 digits. Now we'll multiply with the multiplication factor. So for brown the multiplication factor is 10. So finally we are getting it as 100 ohm resistor. So similarly, let's consider this example as well. So for brown, again the first value is 1. So for blue it's 6. So we got the first 2 digits. Now we'll multiply with the multiplication factor. For red it's 100. So we are getting 1600 ohms or 1.6 kilo ohms. Alright, now let's consider another example. So for brown it's 1, for red it's 2, and for green the multiplication factor is 10 to the power 5. So how much we are getting? It's 1200 kilo ohms. Let's consider another example. Here red is kept in the first position, so for it's 2. Then for blue it's 6. So for green the multiplication factor again 10 to the power 5. So how much we are getting? It's 2600 kilo ohms. Alright. Now we'll consider about the 4th color band. So fourth color band is being termed as tolerance. So what is tolerance? Tolerance is actually related with the term accuracy. So now I'll give you a small analogy. So you people are familiar with this particular figure, right? So he's Jasprit Bumrah. So Bumrah is considered one of the fastest Indian bowlers with an average speed of 142 km per hour. So now if I say Bumrah has an average bowling speed tolerance of 5%, so what does it mean? So it means either he can bowl at maximum 149.1 km per hour, which is 5% higher than the average bowling speed, or he can bowl at minimum speed of 134.9 km per hour, which is 5% lower than the average bowling speed. So basically it's a variation in the bowling speed that can happen depending upon the match situation. Similarly, resistors can become deformed due to changes in temperature and humidity, which leads to material expansion and contraction. Thus, we specify tolerance value, that is till what extent the resistance value can fluctuate. Alright, so let's consider this example of 100 ohm resistor. So if I say there is a golden color fourth band is there. Okay, now for golden color there is a tolerance of plus minus 5%. Okay, so it means the resistance value can fluctuate from 95 ohms, which is 5% lower than the calculated resistance value, to 105 ohms, which is 5% higher than the calculated resistance value. Alright, so now for your reference, I have mentioned the color code table for resistors over here along with the phrase. So this is the particular phrase to remember all the colors. So here you can see B.B. Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife with gold and silver. So if you remember the phrase, you can easily remember the colors as well. And there is a note. For 3 color band resistors, the default tolerance is plus minus 20%. So that's all for this video. So until next video, keep learning and keep having fun.